They say Tesla is of good quality, but this Moza 3 turned into a total loss just because it was rear-ended. The car towed it over from other places and wanted us to tie it up within a week and keep driving. I put it in your hand. One, two, three, 2, 3, 4. Good. Chinese. Am a vessel impact. I call you. Prepare. Brother. Abominable. Massage. Uh-huh. Let's open the PCS cover and see if this is infinity, indicating that the outside of the fireworks platform has burned out. We removed the broken pyrotechnic shell and replaced it with a new one. After repairing it, it can drive normally.